On exercise 7.2. I know a few of you obviously might be having a bit of bother with this one, alright? So here's what we do. First things first, we enter in our mode table function. Okay, then we go shift x squared. So shift alpha x squared minus 2x, take away 4. Okay. You can start at -3 and end at 5. Start at -3, end at 5. Do a step of 1. And you get the following points here. Now, I have it drawn on the next page if you want, alright? So, see the way I have -311 is this one here. So I have -311. I have -2, 4. I have -1, 1. I have 0, -4. I have 1, -5. 2, -4. 3, -1, 4, 4, and finally 5, 11. Okay, so you can see that all my points match up to this U-shaped function. You see all the points are the same as the ones here. See 4, 4 is there, that's 4, 4. Okay, then you see the last one's 5, 11, and that one up there is 5, 11. Next thing I gotta do is the line, which is 2x plus 1. That's our g of x function. So 2x plus 1. Start at -3 and 5, step of 1. So the first point is -3, -5, which you can see is there. And the last point is 5, 11. So this is the first point. This is the last point. That's the point of intersection as well. And what you'll find is that these are the points belonging to that straight line. Okay, so that's this question. That's a diagram of the line and the curve, okay? Now, it goes right down the corners at the points of intersection. Well, the points of intersection are going to be the two green ones here, which are going to be, -1, -1. And the other one's going to be 5, 11. So there's your 2 points of intersection, okay? If you go back to your calculator, you can see it there. It's -1, -1 is 1 point, and then the other point of intersection is 5, 11. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is it's the part 2 that everybody seems to be forgetting about, is that we got to find out the x values for which they have the same value. Now, please remember the x values we're talking about here are x equals -1, and then x equals 5, being the second value, okay? So what we're going to do here, we're going to go back. All you have to do is put g of x equal to f of x. So it's going to be 2x plus 1 equals x squared minus 2x minus 4. Bringing the boat over the other side, you're going to get 0 equals x squared minus 2x. This plus 2x on the left becomes a minus 2x on the right. This plus 1 on the left becomes a minus 1 on the right. And what we're going to have is x squared minus 4x minus 5. Put that equal to 0. You can solve it using the minus b if you want, where a is 1, b is -4, minus b is +4, and c equals -5. I'm going to use the reference number, however. It's a plus minus because it ends in a minus. Two numbers that multiply to give me -5, but add to give me -4. Well, that's going to be +1 minus 5. Then solve them, and you're going to get x plus 1 equals 0. You're going to solve the x equals -1. You're going to get x minus 5 equals 0. And you're going to solve x equals 5. And that is that question done quite quickly.